Good afternoon, class 24. Today I will be demonstrating how to apply conditional formatting to a specific group of cells. So the first step is to choose the cells that you want to apply the rule to. So just a simple click and drag over the cells that you want. After you do that, then you go over to the Home tab and to the Styles group, where you'll find the conditional formatting over here. Now you can select different types of rules that you can apply to these cells. For demonstration purposes, I will be using the greater than and the less than rule sets. So for greater than, you select that rule and then you insert a number. Any number that is greater than that number will be highlighted with a specific color. So let's see here. Any number above 50 will get a green box wrapped around them. And as you can see, all of the cells that are 50 or above have a green box. Now, conditional formatting isn't just one-dimensional. You can actually apply multiple rules at the same time. So we go back over to conditional formatting. So this time we're going to select the less than rule, and we select the number that we want to apply the rule to. So we're going to put 49. Oh, I've forgotten to select my cells. My apologies. So this time we're going to select 49. And we're going to fill it with let's just do the red one. And now you got two. You have my apologies. You have two conditional formatting rules on the same list. Now, the uses of conditional formatting is that you can easily differentiate different types of data that you want to isolate from the rest of the group, and it makes it easier for you to see what data that you need to see. For example, if I only want to see the week stats, I can just look over at the legend over here and see that the color is red. And I can see all the week stats are colored in red. Same thing applies to the strong stats over here, which are colored green. I can see all the colors here that are colored green. And we do not mind the white cells here. We can safely assume that's like a neutral stat or something. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Class 24, I hope you have a great day. Thank you.